Hi YouTube followers, I'm going to try to help you out today. I'm going to make a video in regards to an error I was getting on my dashboard on a 2008 Dodge Hemi Ram 5.7. The error was a gas cap light which was displaying on my dash. Let me show you. It was actually displaying right here. I'll turn on the ignition and show you. It was displaying where the mileage is. It was indicating gas cap. So this error here, I resolved it. I should have made this video prior just to show you. Not getting any other errors except for the engine light which is flashing, and the only reason is because I didn't start the vehicle. Let me start the vehicle and just show you. So there you go, it's gone. And I'm also getting seatbelt because it's not on, and I haven't put on my seatbelt, and tire gauge light error. That's because I have a problem with one of my valves, which is the front left front left driver's side valve, which I haven't resolved, but we'll get that. We'll get to that very soon. So let me just show you the first thing you should do prior to working on your vehicle. You should always open the hood and disconnect your battery. That's the very first thing to do, and quite simple. I just disconnected the negative, although maybe it'd be wise to disconnect both. Simple to do, just a ratchet, disconnect both cables. So let's close the hood and do that prior to any work on your vehicle. So I'm going to show you where approximately the problem was. And here's my 5.7 Hemi Dodge Ram, right between the doors here. If you crawl underneath, which we're going to do that right now, the issue is right there. So it against the frame here on the driver's side, you'll notice the small canister, black canister here. These are all the vapor lines. These vapor lines going all the way up to the engine on one side with small canister, and on the other side more vapor lines with another canister. I think they call this the vapor charcoal canister. Quite expensive. Followed a few YouTube videos. They were indicating that was the issue. The gas cap was an issue. Many other videos indicated there could be any kind of problems. My problem was, as I showed you, this canister here. Okay, so before changing this guy though, this guy costs about $200 to $300. I would advise you to maybe just change your gas cap or look at this guy. What happened here is, I guess, going off-road or who knows, through construction sites, I'm not sure. Anyways, it created a small hole here, and what I did is I cleaned off the canister. I actually taken both holes off, but you can probably do it underneath here, but I just wanted to be comfortable. Took both holes off, hoses, and disconnected here from this holder, and quite easy. You just kind of wiggle it, it comes off really easy. And what I did is I took it, and I could hear some rocks or something, debris in there, so I kind of banged around a little softly just so you don't crack it or break it, and cleaned it out, and make sure the hoses were all clean on both sides. And then to resolve this issue, I bought some metal compound, and I picked it up at Canadian Tire for actually $6. It's a small tube with some metal compound, a hard metal compound inside, and you cut it up, and you just mix it around your hand for about 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes, and once it comes soft, you apply it. You apply it to make sure it's clean though. You apply it to this canister. Make sure you compress it really well, and in about 2 minutes it hardens up that you can actually drill through it. So that resolved the issue, because I went back into the vehicle, and then I couldn't start it. I connected the battery again, for a ride, and I guess it's resetted the computer also, and resolved this leak here in the vapor system. So I haven't had the the gas cap error light on since. So hopefully this helps you out. Let me just crawl out of here again. It's right on the frame, driver's side, and let me just crawl out of here. There you go. And hopefully this video helps you out, and hopefully that's the problem, because it cost me approximately $6 to resolve, and what a great solution. Better than 300. So if you like this video, just if you actually have any questions, or you want to know a little bit more in regards to the fix, feel free to email me, or thumbs up, click if you like, and take care.